This is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. We're doing a video recap of the ETFs, major index ETFs. You can say why. Big money monitors these. Leading indexes and or ETFs produce leading stocks. If we think about it pragmatically, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Strength begets strength. And so this is why we review ETFs. Not a lot of them. You don't need a lot of them, but it helps guide you. So let's move forward. Here's the IBD 50 ETF. It's a proxy of the leading stocks that IBD talks about in the IBD 50. Anyway, it's hanging in there. It's lifting off. There's no real clean entry, but here's something nice. It is picking up through the 200-day. That's nice to see. It's still well off 52-week highs, though. All right, let's continue onward. Gold miners, slight pickup. This is right here, gold miners. Picking up, slight pickup in volume Friday, lifting off the 50-day. Here's the weekly. A little loose, but a pickup here. Possibly it will follow through. Something bear watching. Here's the hourly. Kind of see a cup and a handle formation here. Watch this. Here's 30-minute. Cup with a high handle. Take this out. Watch and see what happens. Let's continue onwards. Junior gold miners. Similar situation. A little bit better action. Look at this. Volume pickup here. Volume pickup here. Little base right in here. Something to take into consideration. Gold miners, junior gold miners. Gold. See, this is how you connect the dots, and this is why we do this. Look at gold pickup off the moving averages near tops with a pickup in volume. I say this frequently. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Guess what? They're voting. They were voting for it, and it's a decent base. Gold. So you just connected the dots. Gold, big gold miners, junior gold miners. There you go. By the way, am I saying buy all three? No, but I'm saying something worth watching. Looks good. Here's biotechnology picked up. Look at the volume surge into this. Friday. That's nice to see. Longer base right there. Here's the weekly. Lifting right through here. Something to take into consideration. Perhaps it will follow through. Here's the nice thing about it. You don't have the risk of an individual biotechnology stock. You own a bunch of them. So something to look at. Technology. Doing fine. Pulled back Friday, but you can see that sucker's been hitting all-time highs, folks. And it has for a while, which is why at Mission Winners, we've been involved in technology, leading technology stocks. Mid-cap. Do you think we need to do anything with mid-cap? Look at it. No. Check this out. Technology. Mid-cap. Where are you going to put your money? Where should you put your money? Mid-cap. Small cap. What do you think? Nothing here. Move on. MDY. Nothing here below the 200-day. Not participating. Oil services. Below the falling 200-day. Is there anything here? No. Don't overthink it. It's like, oh, it might bounce off the 21 EMA. It's below the moving averages. It's not leading. Move on. Software. Look at this. Now, it pulled back a little bit Friday on lower volume. What's the trend on this? This son of a buck, guys, hitting 52-week. It's hitting all-time highs, which is why we've been involved in technology. It guided us to do that. All right? It's not forecasting. It's literally getting in line, observing what is. QLD's been hanging in there again. Came close right here to hitting all-time highs, but watch this. QQQ, this sucker, there's old highs right there. You see it? There's the line right there. Look at that animal's hitting all-time highs. Nasdaq 100, big name stocks, the big ones, all right? The Apples, the Amazons, the Googles, the Netflixes of the world. There you go. Steel. What do you think? Take a look at this. Nasdaq 100. Oh, trending up nicely. Steel. Below the moving averages. Move on. SMH. Been acting pretty good here. Semiconductors. Technology. Big in the Nasdaq. Spiders, well off all-time highs. Not participating as much. What would we like to see? This start to improve. Something to take into consideration. SSO, same thing, leveraged. Solar, basing up here. Perhaps it'll lift across these tops. Solar, like that. TNA. How's TNA do? Look at TNA. Small cap leveraged. Then look at QQQ. QQQ, TNA. What's leading? There you go. Oil. Do I really need to say anything about this at all? Okay, I won't. Never mind. There you go. Aerospace. Nothing. Home builders. Folks, consider this. If the economy's falling apart, why is home builders doing okay? It's not that bad. Okay? Factor that in the equation. What's the moral of that statement? Let the market action guide you, not the news. Remember, stock price movement forecast the future, not the present, which also leads to another point for you. Forget the news, okay? You know, are you aware that was it a week ago? I think it was a week ago. Yeah, it was a week ago. They came out with the headline, "The U.S. economy is officially in recession." Did you all see it? The United States economy is officially in recession. And the Nasdaq 100, the QQQ, the big stocks, hit an all-time high. But, you know, we're in a recession. We can't do anything. Let the stock price action tell you what to do. Got to share that with you. Let's continue on here. Here we go. Aerospace, home builders, talked about. Basic materials, hanging in there, not too bad. Communications, technology related. Not that far off all highs, isn't it? Energy. Do you really need to dwell on energy? Nah. Financials. Do you need to dwell on financials? It's below the moving averages. Don't overthink. Maybe this is the bottom. Strength begets strength. Why don't we focus on strength, not maybes? Well, maybe it'll go. Industrials, nothing there. Technology. Look at that sucker. Week and a half ago, hit all-time highs. See that right there? Technology. That's nice. Now it's just basing, fell on a slight pickup in volume, still above the moving averages. There you go. Why we've been involved in technology. Consumer staples. Hanging in there. Nothing really special. Utilities. There's nothing there. Healthcare. They're hanging in there. Hanging in there. That wasn't mom and dad selling on that bar, by the way. Okay? That was serious. Consumer discretionary. Folks, this I got to see this. 132.68. It hit an all-time high. Discretionary spending by consumers. If the economy, this is discretionary. This isn't necessity. This is for the niceties you want in life. That son of a Buckeye hit all-time highs a week and a half ago. There you go. I want to pause here and share this with you. Please do not think I'm the eternal bull. I'm not. I'm seriously, literally, just looking at what is. Looking at what is. That'll tell you a lot. Open-minded. Metals and mining, nothing there. Retail, not that bad. Needs to start picking up again. All right. Came close to hitting highs. So, not bad. Software, near highs. Technology. So what's the theme? The Nasdaq's leading. The Nasdaq hit all-time highs recently. What's in the Nasdaq? Leading technology stocks. By default, it's been strong. What does that mean for us? It's where we should have been focusing. And emission winners, we have. That's what we've been focusing on. Turn off the news. News and noise. It's no strange coincidence that the word news and noise has more in common than a couple of vowels or consonants. All right? Something to take into consideration. Anyway, hope this helps you. I produce this every week. I talk about this every day with the VIPs to help frame up market action. Do I day trade? No. Do I scalp? No. Do I look at 5-minute charts? No. What am I after? I'm after trends. I want to ride stuff for as long as possible, like that, or this. Okay? That's what we're after. And this was this week. Look at that. That's sweet potato pie, lifting through there. Anyway, the point is this. Focus on what's happening and forget all the news and noise. If you read the news with everything that's going on between COVID-19 and the violence in this country, it's it's the end of the world. Oh my God. Yeah, and the Nasdaq just came off hitting all-time highs. I rest my case. Have a great, safe weekend. By the way, for all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day. Thank you for your commitment to your families. Anybody, if you're with a woman, of course, you can't do it by yourself. You could have a kid, okay? But it takes a man to be a dad. It takes a man to be a father. So I say to you, thank you for what you do. And also I'll say this too, mothers, thank you for what you do. Take care, y'all have a good, safe weekend, and we'll be ready to rock and roll on Monday.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.